Hi, I'm going to do a rod review on my bass fishing rods. I have a Matsuo (6'6" 2-piece medium action spinning rod matched up with a Matsuo MTZ 4140 reel with 12-pound big game line. Got it at Walmart for probably 35 bucks. And then I have a Shakespeare Action combo with a Shakespeare Action graphite 6'6" medium action with 12-pound Sufix. Got it for about 20 bucks from a friend. And then I got a Platinum Pinnacle limited edition 6-ball bearings, 6-to-1 gear ratio, matched up on a Shimano 6'6" medium action fast. This is probably my spinnerbait, buzzbait, and crankbait rod. This is for more of my frog fishing, heavy timber. And this is for my finesse, shaky head, and Senko rod. And that's about it. I'm going to be doing a tackle bag review. Stay tuned.